Okay, young warriors, your boy Coach G. Here it is, 60 seconds or less, how to start a t-shirt business. Step 1, work on the messenger, then work on the message. What does that mean? You gotta clean out some crap that you own. First starting with yourself, and then a little room within your home. Step 2, go online. Find the perfect printer and press that works for your space. From there, you order that joker and have it shipped and unpackage it. Once you unpackage it, you do nothing less than put it in the space that you just cleaned out. Wow, voila. Now here you are with your brand new t-shirt business. Now the last step is simple. Define for yourself a product that you can sell to the mass public. For me, it is my t-shirt line. I branded it simply after my slogan, Keep It Elite, and my book, Keep It Elite. For more information, hit me up.